bird.
Yeah. Is the cat gonna eat that shit? Dang, should we save it?
Oh no, the bird, you see all those ants?
Yeah.
Oh, that's the worst way to go.
Should we save it or not?
Dude, those ants are all over.
Oh, the cat is trying to tell us something. Should we save it?
Dude, watch how you're standing in ants.
Oh, fuck me.